What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get Visa gift card codes for free. Now these free Visa codes are going to give you a spendable virtual balance, and you can redeem these within any checkout that accepts Visa, which is pretty much every online checkout. You can get up to $250 free Visa gift card codes, and it takes just a few minutes. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the tutorial on how you can go ahead and do this for yourself. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone, and I'll be putting the recording over here so you can follow along. It's pretty easy and it takes just a few minutes, and yeah, it's going to save you a bunch of money, essentially give you free money within your Visa. So let me show you now. I'm going to record my screen and we'll get into the tutorial. So basically guys, open up the internet on your mobile phone. You can do it on your desktop if you wish, but it's actually easier on your phone, and you need to go directly to this website, so ensure you type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here guys. www.speedycoupons.com. so speedycoupons.com, and you've got to go directly to the website. If you go to Google and search this, you probably won't find it because it's not indexed in Google. You've got to go directly to this website, and you're going to be greeted by this page, which has tons and tons of stuff on here. As you can see, there's pretty much gift card codes for everything and anything. There's game codes, there's discount codes. So to search for the Visa gift cards page, hit that search bar here and just type in Visa, and it should just pop straight up like so. Visa money gift card codes. So tap to open the page. There's a picture there that pretty much shows you what you're going to be getting, and you can see this is a sort of limited number of codes. There's 700 plus left at the time of recording this video. So you can see that we can get a $250 free Visa account gift card code. So this is a virtual Visa card basically that's going to allow you to spend $250 from it. There is also a 50% off any Visa accepted checkout. This is basically a code that you can enter in any basket that accepts discount codes and accepts Visa, and it's going to remove 50% of your cost off your order. So just choose the code you want. I'm going to choose the $250 Visa gift card code. So tap show coupon, and you can see it pops up here, and it gives us the start of the code. You can see it says Visa, but the remaining characters or digits are starred. So basically guys, we need to unlock the full code here. Pretty easy. You just tap this unlock code button. This takes a few seconds, and then you should see a further screen that pops up, and we can run through the instructions there. Okay, so now you're going to see this screen. Basically guys, don't panic, this is completely normal and it's really easy to pass. Basically we just need to complete 2 of the free offers on this page, and they range from installing apps and completing free surveys. So for example, you can see this top one, Family Island. It says download then complete level 8 to unlock. So this is like a game. So if you tap this, it's going to bring me to the App Store, and I just need to download this game. So I'm going to do that, go back, and then for example this one here, have a chance to win an Argos gift card. Argos is like a UK shop, and it says fill in your details and confirm. So let me tap on that one. So basically guys, you're going to get a bunch of these free tasks. Depending on your country, you're going to get different ones, and basically you just need to choose 2 and fully complete them. So this is my second one. I'm just going to do this. So I just need to input my email on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and download Family Island, complete level 8, then finish off that survey. So I'll pause the video, do this and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so just went ahead and finished both of those tasks. So I did the Family Island one at the top that said download the game. So I downloaded the game and just completed level 8. And then I also finished off that Argos one there. So just choose any 2 tasks that you come across on this page and ensure you fully complete them. You have to make sure you do 2 of them for this to work. And now hit my tabs button and I can go back to, you can see this page has popped up down here and it has revealed my free Visa gift card code. So this is essentially a prepaid $250 digital gift card for Visa, which I can copy and I can enter this into any basket that accepts Visa debit, and it's going to basically take $250 off my order. Or alternatively, if you do a under $250 order, you can apply this and it's just going to take take the corresponding cost off your $250 balance, and then you can go ahead and spend the rest of it. So these codes obviously are one-time use, so this one's going to be invalid because I'm going to be using this in a minute. So you need to go to speedycoupons.com and get your very own free Visa gift card codes. If you have any questions or need any help, please leave a comment below and I'm always willing to help people out. Please like the video if I successfully got you your free Visa money, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.